been riding on this trail ride all day long. I'm so ready. Can we go now? Let's go back to the barn right now. I got the hay ready and the drink is ready.